This is Cheryle Wakerhause coming to you from Portland, Oregon. So today we decided to think spring and made some raspberry flower pots. These flower pots are hiding a raspberry ganache that we use fresh rosemary to infuse raspberry puree with, and hidden inside is one single raspberry. But on the top we have what we call a Oreo streusel dirt, which we took some Oreo crumbs, mixed them together with some brown sugar, cocoa powder, some butter, and then baked it in the oven just to give it a little bit more richness and a little bit more crunch. So who doesn't like peanut butter and chocolate? It's a match made in heaven. So I decided to use Nutter butters inside a chocolate mousse and to make little Nutter butter gems, perfect, bite-sized, and delicious. First we made a chocolate mousse with two kinds of chocolate, a dark and a milk chocolate. Then we used the center filling of the Nutter butter and a little bit of the crumbles from the crust, mix them together and infuse them into the centers of our chocolate mousse. Put them in the freezer, pop them out, a nice chocolate glaze, and then for the decor, you take some Nutter butters and make a caramel and whiz it up in the food processor. Sprinkle it down on a silpat and voila, you have this really nice, delicate, fragile decor that will top off on our Nutter butter chocolate mousses and of course finish with little gold leaf.